They're funny.
Charlie, let me open your mouth.
Good job. It's a good one. I'll get a little more.
That little piece. How eat that little piece on the side.
It's okay. Get some more.
Cover up, love. Good girl.
Some more.
That's okay. That's alright. Try that one. Okay, hold on. Put it back in the bowl. There you go. Good job.
Cora May, ask Charlie if she wants more.
Hi, you want some more?
Show her the sign for more. More.
More? How do you say please?
More.
Okay, let's see if she wants it. Oh, she does. Good girl. Try to make sure there's a little on the spoon when you give her the spoon. Put a little more on there. Good girl. Put a little more on there. Give her another little bite.
No, the burger.
No, not a big bite. Just give her a little bite.
Hello to me. Here. Sit. Hello. Look at me.
Cora May, I think she's hungry. Can you keep feeding her? You need some more food.
Charlie, just hurt me with my elbow.
No, it's okay.
Hello.
Put it right in there. Put it right in there. It's okay. Go for it. There you go. Go for it.
Charlie.
Here. Here. Go ahead. I'll hold her hand. That way she won't get it. Go ahead. Put it right in there. Here you go. Put it right in there. Maybe she's done. Maybe she's all done. Do you remember the sign for all done? How do you say all done? No, remember. Look at
That's
mommy.
more.
All done. Whoa, bless you. Wow.
Do all done.
Good girl. Well, it's going to be hard for you to pick her up in her seat like that.
She's hungry now.
She's hungry now?
Yeah.
All right. You can see if she wants another bite. Ask her if she wants more. Say more.
Color and me.
Give her. Go ahead and offer it to her. Here, let's see. Can I help you for a second? No. All right. See if she wants it. Hold it right out there. See if she. Oh, there we go. Good girl.
You watch this for Callie.
Well, wait, don't go anywhere with her spoon, Cora May. You need to give her some more food.
Oh, she's hungry.
Yeah. Give her another little bite. Okay. Here. Look. She's hungry, Cora May. You gotta hurry. Good girl. Put it right out there. See if she wants it.
Tommy's not good.
Yeah, it's okay. She's a messy eater. It's okay.
Tommy,
There you go. Try again.
Tommy.
Sweet girl.